In the family of, so the traveling salesman problem is part of a larger set of family problems that is the vehicle routing problem. So it's a generalization of the TSP. You have a depot, and the depot will contain 3 different trucks. Okay, and you have also to visit customers that are represented here with the pink points, and you have 3 trucks to visit all the customers. The thing is that you want to minimize the total distance that is traveled by all the trucks together, but each truck has a fixed capacity C that cannot be exceeded. And each customer, you need to deliver some products in each customer, and so each customer also has a capacity. And for given sub-circuits such as this one, if you add all the capacities of the customer, you cannot exceed the total capacity of the truck C. Okay? And therefore, if the capacity would be infinity of the truck, of course, that would be a traditional TSP. But since you have a limited capacity for C, you might need several sub-trips. The optimal solution is probably to split into several trips and use the 3 trucks that are available. So there are 2 different strategies to initialize a good solution for this problem before applying the 2 opt moves, for instance. There are 2 different strategies. The first idea is partition first, and the second idea is sequence first. If you want, in the partition first method, the goal is a kind of clustering problem. You need to cluster first the groups of customers, and once you have found the 3 clusters in that case, then you can solve a TSP for each of the clusters separately. In the other strategy, the idea is that we will relax the capacity. So we will start with a giant TSP that involves all the customers, and then we will split the giant TSP into sub-trips that satisfy the capacity constraints. Let's first review some strategy for solving the partition first problem.